Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the VIVO device using recovery mode. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off, and wait until the device is completely switched off. Then use the following combination, power key and volume up. Hold down both keys together and release them as soon as fast boot mode pops up. Here, you can navigate using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing the power key. Let me choose recovery mode and wait for the VIVO recovery mode to appear. Now you can use VIVO recovery, navigate in the same way using volume keys and power key to confirm, or simply tap on the screen. Let me choose white data, and here you can wipe cache partition, restore all settings, or simply perform a white data. Let me perform white data, tap wipe data again. The device is erasing all personal data, customized settings, and installed apps. As you can see, data wipe successful, so let's tap OK. Now all you need to do is use the back key and tap reboot system. Let's wait until the welcome panel pops up. Don't interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so now you can start activating your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up under the video.